In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add multiple except blocks to a single try block in Python. This is a very useful technique when you want to handle different types of errors that might occur during the execution of your code. Let's start with a simple example. We'll have a piece of code that will try to convert a user's input into an integer. This could potentially raise two different types of exceptions: a value error if the input is not a valid number, and a type error if the input is not a string. In this code, the try block contains the code that might raise an exception. The except blocks follow immediately after. Each except block specifies a different type of exception that could be raised, and how to handle it. As you can see, when we input hello, a value error is raised because hello cannot be converted to an integer. This exception is caught by our first except block, which prints a helpful error message. Let's try another example. This time, instead of a string, we'll pass a list to the int function. This will cause a type error to be raised. As expected, the type error is raised and caught by our second except block. This shows how you can use multiple except blocks to handle different types of exceptions in your Python code. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you now understand how to use multiple except blocks in Python. Remember, it's always a good idea to handle potential exceptions in your code to make it more robust and user-friendly. Happy coding, and see you in the next one.